Hello everyone, today in this video, I'll be sharing with you plus size shirts and t-shirts purchased from KGN shop, which is located at Dockyard Road, Nasir Palace, ground floor, opposite HP petrol pump. They have trendy and ongoing varieties in shirts, t-shirts, jeans in all sizes. Do visit the shop, they have a great collection. I have mentioned the shop details in the description box below. So first I'm gonna start with white denim shirt from Relay brand, which is for 1749 rupees. It features long sleeves, 2 pockets on the chest, and a button-through design. It is lightweight denim fabric, which is stretchable, breathable, and very comfortable. This effortless shirt is a smart, casual style, which looks simple, sober, yet stylish. Moving on to the next beige color full sleeves shirt from Relay brand. This shirt is for 1749 rupees. It has a regular fit with spaced out funky print and 2 flap chest pockets. The fabric and the color is pretty good. It's definitely a very trendy semi-casual wear. Next we have is the olive green full sleeves printed shirt from Relay brand. This shirt is for 1649 rupees. Again, it is a casual shirt with button-down collar and 2 chest pockets. The fabric is very soft to touch and has velvety kind of a feel, plus, it is quite airy, lightweight, and comfortable. This kind of shirts is perfect for a casual and easygoing look and works well as an everyday clothing option. Next we have is full sleeves shirts from Relay brand, which is for 1549 rupees each. There are 2 colors available in this shirt, one is sea green and other one is pastel light pink. It's a regular fit, semi-formal shirt, featuring a button-down collar, long cuffed sleeves, and has a chest patch pocket and a button up front. The placement print on pocket and sleeve doesn't look cheap. The fabric is stretchable and very comfortable. This shirt is great for an official gathering. You can also tuck the shirt inside for a formal look or leave it outside for a casual look. Next is the black short sleeves shirt from Weplay brand. This shirt is for 1199 rupees. It has a classic fit with turned-down collar and a chest pocket. This shirt is really good in style, fit and fabric. Moreover, the fabric has a little sheen, which gives a rich look. This shirt can be a classy addition to your wardrobe. Next, moving on to the t-shirts. This full sleeves t-shirt from Chopstick brand is for 1699 rupees. Color, pattern, and the finishing is pretty nice. The fabric of the t-shirt is slightly thick and comfortable, which becomes a perfect choice for the winters. Overall, the feel of the t-shirt is very soft and comfy. Next we have is the red, short sleeves t-shirt from Chopstick brand. The price of this t-shirt is 1599 rupees. This red t-shirt has a polo collar, button placket, and straight hemline, with side cuts. The feel of the fabric is soft and lightweight with the right amount of stretch. Moreover, it is very comfortable and flattering. Lastly, we have is a black polo collar t-shirt from Chopstick brand, and the price of it is 1599 rupees. This t-shirt is similar to the previous red shirt, it only differs in color, fabric, and print. Altogether, quality of both the fabric is amazing. Such relaxed fit t-shirts is ideal clothing choice for casual occasions. They look great when paired with jeans, sweatpants, or shorts. If you liked my video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.